Welcome back to CountyLine TV. This tire, when I bought these tires, actually when I sent CJ to buy these tires for me, I found them on Facebook Marketplace, and when I clicked on the seller, it happened to be one of my ex's moms, so I just sent CJ. But when I bought these tires, this one was bald, and the other three are great. So, just so happened, when Josh came up, he brought some that are this exact same size with him, and they're also great. So he let me bum one off of him. So we're gonna do a little. Now, if you're wondering why that air compressor was so loud in the last clip, my nice big, super quiet 60-gallon air compressor popped the belt. So I'm using the old trailer rig, which I think we left out in the elements too many times, and it just got even louder than it's ever been, and takes even longer to fill up than it ever has. So that thing's on its way out, and right now it's our only option. I gotta go get a belt for the big one, and probably lube the pump up again. But anyway, that was our first topic of discussion item for doing today. Whatever you want to say, however you want to say that. Let's get to the rear of the car, because we got some problems back there. And we're back. Look at that. We got some metal that's like peeled down and wanting to get a hold of the tire. As a matter of fact, it has got a hold of the tire. So I could do this a couple of different ways. I could cut some more, or I could also much better. So now that we got that clearanced and that tire changed, there's a couple more things we need to do to finish buttoning this car up, get it prepared for this weekend's rally race. While we were testing it, which this is why we do testing, folks, don't take your car to the track without at least doing a rip around your yard or something. Or if it's a race car, like, do something. Don't just blindly take a fresh build to the track. It'll never go well. But we're underneath the car now, and I have a problem with my transmission. I don't see the problem right now, actually, but you guys would have seen it in the last video. I also don't know what you can see and what you can't see, because it's okay. Yeah, you can't really see very much. So I'll just get out from under the car. My little buddy's following me around too. Check him out. He's cute in his little sweater. Anyway, all right. As you would have seen in the last video, the transmission hops all over the place every time I... Can I help you? Can I help you? Hey. Anyway, anytime I like let out of the clutch or like let off the throttle and get back on the throttle, the transmission just jumps all over the place. It's really bad. So I'm gonna thumb around in here, and if I find out why it's doing that, I'll pick you guys back up and show you. The only other thing I need to do is add power steering fluid, because I'm sure you heard it in the last video. It's screaming for help. And then my fender liner and stuff is still in the driver's side front, and I need to take that out because it rubs when I turn. So I'm gonna get under here and see what I can't figure out about this transmission. So we discovered that the transmission actually, like, I'll try to powerhouse this thing for you. It actually doesn't move very much at all. However, while I was down here looking around, I found this. That's my noise. The shifter moves a little, but I guess that must be normal, but that's definitely my noise. That's what I'd be hearing all the time. And it's like not attached back here. That's it. And also, I'm not gonna fix it. So I found another problem with the car. One that's probably robbing me of some horsepowers. Comment below if you see it right now. It's this guy. Look at that. That thing is like, it's like bent to a crease and like where it's almost closed off. So that's probably not good for it. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I've got some random exhaust pieces, and we're going to take a look and see if I can't find something to change this up a bit. I'm definitely, no matter what, that's getting cut off. That's no good for my power. But I think if I can find like a 90 that's about this size, I could turn it and take it out through the floor right there, and then just do something that comes out of there. That'd be pretty cool. I'd be all right with that. Always remember, guys, when using cutting and grinding tools, birth control first. That's not good for your engine. Robbing me of all my hearse prayers. Not on my watch. Wait! Wait! I almost forgot. That's better. Gotta keep that bottle baby's bottle warm. Alright, I already took the fender liner out. All I got left to do is put some power steering fluid in here. And that doesn't interest you guys. So, thanks for watching. Tell your mom to subscribe, and we will see you on the next episode.